So welcome to the second week of Math 142. Hopefully you've successfully completed all the material in the week one module. Last week we ended with watching some videos on graphing sine and cosine. I'm sorry. Last week we ended some videos on talking about what sine and cosine are. And how to find them using the unit circle. And so at this point you should be getting pretty good at finding those, and we're going to make some connections with sine and cosine to tangent and the other trig functions. And you're going to have, anyway, we're going to have some stuff we're going to have to do today or this week. So this is just a little video to kind of get you started off on the right foot. So if you look on, I've opened up the week two module. That's where you want to start, and week two itinerary. You can see that we're meeting on Monday and Wednesday, and we may meet on Thursday. Probably have office hours on Thursday, but we're definitely going to meet on Monday and Wednesday of this week. So let's take a look at the week two itinerary, kind of what you have in store for you. So under the week two, there's a new discussion that's open now, so that's right here. This actually has some math content in it, so you should have finished posting your introduction and responding to other people's introductions, and that'll be graded. That was hopefully graded over the weekend. So then notice we have at 8 o'clock on 8:40 a.m. on Monday morning, we're going to have a class meet. And then here's some videos talking about the relationship between sine and cosine, just like I talked about. And then here's a link that takes you to some practice quizzes that'll you'll be able to practice finding your way around the unit circle and evaluating sine and cosine. So you want to check that out. Then there's some more videos to watch of talking about the reciprocal functions. So that's secant, cosecant, and cotangent. And also further investigating the right triangle relationship. And then at step 5, it says, in theory, you should be ready to start homework 2 and homework 3. You of course, doesn't mean you're completely ready. You might want to watch some more videos, or you may have to get some help from me. But in theory, you've been exposed to all the material that is going to be on homework 2 and 3. Notice also on Thursday, there's a Canvas quiz. This will not be on XYZ. It'll be taken through Canvas. You'll just open, when you go, you don't want to open it until you're ready to take the quiz. It'll be available on Thursday from 8 a.m. till midnight. And when you feel like you're ready and you want to take the quiz, then you just go ahead and click on it and open it up, and you only have 10 minutes to complete it. So you want to make sure you're ready, and you cannot repeat it, and you cannot close out and then start back up. So make sure you're ready for that. And then notice following that, there's a take-home quiz. This is the first take-home quiz. The take-home quiz, remember, you get it printed off, you work on it. You'll have until next Monday. You, of course, can start early. It's available to you as soon as week 2 modules open. But you will not be ready to do the take-home quiz until you've completed the material up above it. So, and like I said, that'll be due on the following Monday, and you'll print it off, do it on paper, and then scan it and upload it through the assignment in Canvas. And then to wrap up the week, you'll be watching some videos on, we're going to start graphing sine and cosine. So that's just a little orientation of what the week's going to look like. So again, just invite you to start working through the week 2 itinerary. And we'll see you in class on Monday.